We're going to write our own short story for the characters we designed in our last lesson. Keep your character sheets to hand to refer back to. We already drew some of the objects they like to carry, so we can use these to tell our story. Stories are usually split into 3 acts. The beginning, this is the setup. The middle, where a confrontation happens. And the end, the resolution. This is called the 3-act structure. I've split up the worksheet so it's easier to plan the 3 different sections of your story. Like last lesson, I've made up a list of prompts you can use to start your story off. First, let's cut out the prompts and fold them up. You don't have to use these if you already have an idea for what you want to write about. Instead, you could use inspiration from real life to help you. The story could be based on what you've done in your day or something happening in your community. Or you can use one of the consequences we did in the warm-up activity as a starting point. My prompt is, someone finds a magical object, but no one is sure what it does. How do we work out what the magic is? You can pause the video here if you want to take some time to think about what you'd like to write. Now get your script writing worksheet. The page is split into 6 parts. Our final comic is going to have 6 panels, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can always add more. For each panel of the comic, we want at least 1 line of text. My prompt is about my character finding a magical item, so I'm going to write the origin of Bubble Girl. The story will be about how she found her wand and became a superhero. Act 1 is for introducing our character, so I'll have her going for a walk. I'm going to make a note that she isn't wearing her crime-fighting uniform yet. Then she stumbles across the magic wand on the floor and exclaims, "Oh, I wonder what this does," and picks it up. Not every panel has to have speech, but think about what your characters would say. We can also use speech bubbles to write what they are thinking. The middle section is for the confrontation or where something strange happens. When Bubble Girl picks up the wand, I want it to glow, and then she has a magical transformation into her superhero form. Lastly, the conclusion. After her transformation, Bubble Girl is thinking, now that I have these powers, what should I do? In the final panel, she's going to decide to become a superhero. Along with the worksheets, you can also download my example script to have a look at what I've written. In the next session, we're going to use our script to thumbnail and sketch out our comic, so make sure to keep it safe until next time.